Hey world, what's going on? Data Recovery Guru here. Sharing this video because we constantly get questions about USB flash drives with broken USB connectors. People find us online and strangely ask us if we can help when we have several of these videos with USB flash drives with broken connectors. So today we have one of those generic kinds, broken connector. Is this guy right here. And once again, our true and tried work was successful. The flash drive works. Let's actually try it out. It's connected to our USB stabilizer here. Let's bring it up. Okay, let's set it up for flash device, log, and let's see. Oh, we gotta plug it in. 1 second, let me plug it in. All right, USB stabilizer was found. Let's power on, and let's see. We get lights. We have lights. Oh, there it is. Okay, so the flash drive initialized correctly. It's an older device. It's only 1 gigabyte. So yeah, once again, another successful repair. Actually, this one was fairly difficult. We had to solder underneath the microscope. Let me show you. So you need a microscope here with decent view so it can work. You need fans to take out the exhaust from the flux and the soldering. You need a decent soldering machine and work on the microscope. You need a small pin, iron tip. I mean, sorry. If it's too big, like you have here, for example, like with the more traditional kinds, it's going to be much more difficult to do the work. Not impossible, but just much more difficult. So we have this guy here. This JBC unit is pretty good. It has a very small iron tip and it gets hot and it's very easy to work with. So that's it. This is the kind of equipment that you need. Obviously, this is several thousands of dollars. Maybe not worth buying it. So customers just bring the device to us, and it's much more efficient to hire somebody and get it done. So if you need help, you can find us at datarecoveryguru.com. On the homepage there, you're going to see a blue button called Let's Start with a Free Diagnosis. Click on it. It'll ask you for your contact information, agree to terms and conditions, and you should be good to go. All right. Thanks so much.